Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to replace a 12-volt battery in Lexus UX 250h. Before the replacement, we will connect the memory saver to the OBD port in the vehicle. This way we'll get the power while the 12-volt battery is disconnected and you won't have to lose any settings or do any initializations. There are two ways how this memory saver can be connected. You can either use these clamps if you have a spare 12-volt battery, or you can use this battery holder which comes in the set. You can install 8 AA batteries inside and they will provide 12 volts. This device is safe. We have fuses on each line. I'll show you how it looks. This is the fuse right here. We will connect the battery holder to this connector. Now we'll connect the OBD connector to the port. It's located on the left side of the vehicle. And don't forget to turn on the battery holder. Now the vehicle will get alternative 12-volt power source. In the Lexus UX, the battery is located on the right side inside the trunk. For that we'll have to remove these panels. Now I will remove this panel, then this guy will come out, and we have another one right here. Normally you will see a plastic nut here, it's missing at the moment. If you have one over there, you just need to unscrew it counterclockwise and then this panel will come out as well. This is our 12-volt battery. Right here we have the vent hose. It vents hydrogen gas outside the vehicle. First we will disconnect it, simply pull it out. This is how it looks. Next I will disconnect the negative terminal first. I will use 10mm socket, unscrew it counterclockwise. The hose is attached to this bracket, so we will remove the whole thing and hide it right here. Next we need to disconnect the positive terminal. For this small cover will come out and you will see another nut right here. Unscrew it counterclockwise and lift the terminal up. You may need to wiggle it back and forth a little bit. It will come off. You can hide it underneath this panel. There's a nut and a bolt on the bracket that holds the battery in place. You'll have to undo them as well, 10mm. You can use extension, and if you don't have one like this, the small ratchet will still work. And now this bracket will come out. Battery comes with a small handle. Push this trim piece away and remove the battery. And like we've mentioned before, our battery holder provides the power to the vehicle even when the 12-volt battery is disconnected. And this is how the original Lexus battery looks like. Install the new battery, rest it against that bracket, black one, in the back, like this. And now the bracket goes back on top. Now I will reinstall this bolt first. And the nut. the positive terminal goes back on. Also guys, when you do it, make sure that you don't touch both terminals with metal objects at the same time. Reinstall the cover. And we will do the negative terminal now. Make sure that the terminal doesn't move, and don't forget about the vent hose. It goes into this opening. Now I will reinstall all the panels back on. This one has this clip right here. It will go into this opening. Also make sure that this stud goes into the opening as well. Then push it in. Again, normally you will see a nut here, plastic nut. Now this panel has a couple of clips and this plastic guide. Simply snaps back in place. And now this panel goes in. This hook has to go inside over there. So the hooks goes in and then it snaps back in place. And this panel will go back on. Now I will start the vehicle to make sure that everything is working properly. The vehicle starts and I'll just double check the settings. We still have the same settings as we had before we removed the battery, which is great. This means that our small battery holder did its job. Now I will disconnect the battery holder first, turn it off, and remove this plug. This set, guys, will last approximately up to 10 battery changes on average, but like I said, you can always use another car battery and use these clamps. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. We'll see you in the next one.